Alright, good. There we go.
Hey, bro, cheater.
Can you see?
What's that?
It smells good.
It smells good.
The
it ain't
cinnamon
gonna taste very great. Trust
challenge.
Me. Did you already press record?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so.
She's
Amanda.
talking to the kid.
Shut up.
Okay.
Okay, so we're doing the cinnamon challenge when we're all gonna die. Okay.
Oh my god.
On 3. Oh goodness.
On 3, 2, 1.
I can already taste it because I already know what it's gonna taste like. Okay. 1,
No, you don't.
2, 3.
Oh, your drinks are on the table. Your drinks are on the table. Drinks are on the table. Drinks are on the table. You all have drinks on the table. Oh my gosh, Jack is in the bathroom puking. That is pretty funny. That's pretty funny.
Ew. Oh.
Ew.
How you feeling there, Ash?
Don't talk to me.
Ah,
So who thinks it's still not that bad?
let's go follow Jack into the bathroom, shall we?
You can unrecord mine, or you can stop it.
Okay. Let's follow Jack into the bathroom first and see how Jack is doing. Oh, Jack is in the toilet. Oh boy. This is what happens when one eats a tablespoon, or a teaspoon, I mean, of cinnamon.
Well, it's not helping because I've already had the cough.
Oh, and he's like really throwing up. Ew, he's up his snack. Good Lord. You'll be all right, Jack. No worries.
No, I'm coming in.
Ew. Are you okay, Jack?
No.
Come see if I'm okay.